Hello class and welcome to Module 7. Here we're going to be learning about the normal distribution, which you'll find is actually one of the most used distributions throughout the rest of this course. And so it is central to much of the statistics we're going to be doing from here on out. So let's take a look at some of the key things you should keep in your mind while you're making your way through the material. So first, the normal distribution is an example of a continuous distribution, unlike the discrete cases that we've been seeing before. Where before we can list out those possible outcomes, now these outcomes are going to be infinitely close together and we can't even begin to start listing them out. So what we're going to find is that in order to find probability or relative frequency, we're going to be using area to help us calculate these probabilities. So finding the area for a normal distribution is not something we can just do the math for. So you're going to find that we're going to be using technology that's going to help us find the area or probability to help us out. You may also find videos or some information inside the text that's going to show you how you can use tables as well, but I will say that that method is a much more tedious way to go about doing this, and you're probably better off just using either a calculator or StatCrunch to help you find these probabilities, and you'll be less likely to make an error. Lastly, you're going to see there's two types of problems we're going to come across first. One is going to be talking about finding those probabilities or relative frequencies. And that's the first method that you're going to be coming across. And then secondly, you're going to be doing it in the reverse direction. If I gave you a probability or frequency, can you find a value that would have that probability or that frequency? So be able to ask those two questions, and if you can figure out which one you have and which one you're looking for, you'll know which way to attempt to solve these problems based on the methods we're going to be learning. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to post them to the discussion boards. We'll be happy to help you out. And you can always send me a message as well. So good luck with this unit, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.